hustle to iconic influence, this man has seen life up close, from the highs of life to hits and everything in between. Bold opinions, charming personality, and a not so ordinary journey. Let's unreveal Mr. Vikas Agarwal from Soul Aesthetics. Welcome, Vikas ji.
Thank you, Divyaji.
It's an honor having you here with us on the show.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure.
Ditto. So, as we know, the Divya Siotia show is not about what we get, but what we bring on the table. So, let's shoot. Ready, Vikas ji?
Ready.
So, my first question to you would be, Vikas ji, बचपन में कैसे थे? Introvert, rebellious, extrovert. Are you the same Vikas Agarwal today?
I think I was a mix of all, but now I'm a very different personality in today's time.
So, what really happened कि आप mix थे और आज different थे?
If you see my childhood was like I was absolutely very naive. I didn't know what to do. There was no proper guidance. Initially, what happens in a joint family, you keep searching yourself where you stand among all the other children. So in that period, I was not interested in studies. I used to always keep on watching TV all the time.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, my marks and all also used to come like 0, 1, 2.
0,
Yes.
1, 2.
And my father used to say he's of no use to me. So one fine day, one of my cousin told my son is studying in Kersham, Darjeeling. So you should put your son there.
Okay.
And my father took a decision I should put him back to the hostel life so that he can become independent. And I was scared. I ran out of my house.
You ran out of your house? Oh my God.
I was out of my house for 5 hours and my dad was keeping searching me here, there.
कितने साल के थे आप तब?
That time I think I was of 9 years old.
9 years old only?
Yes.
Oh my God, that was naughty.
That is why I said I'm a mix of all. And later my father told me that just study 1 year. It's my assurance and I'll take you out the next year. I said, okay, done. It's a deal. But every year till class 10, my father every year used to assure that ये साल last पढ़ लो, उसके बाद मैं तुम्हें छोड़ दूँगा वहाँ से निकाल
दूँगा. Class 1 से आप hostel में हैं?
Yeah, absolutely. Till 10 I was there.
Oh my God.
And till class 2 you can say I was completely bogus kind of a guy. I was still searching myself, what I have to do, what I don't have to. I was struggling. I didn't have friends because I was a very introvert person. I didn't know how to mix around with people. I was always on my own. So I know when I entered into class 3, there was I snapped out, and there was a big change. And all of a sudden, I became a very studious person. Teachers started liking me. I started going to elocutions. Yes, even I have recited a lot of Shakespeare's,
Wow.
things. Even in Rabindranath Tagore in Bengali, because my single language was Bengali. Keeping that in mind, what a change. My father said, ये क्या हो गया इसके साथ? All of a sudden, इतना transformation. And in that year, it was my first award which I got on history and geography. So I still remember because that's very close to my heart. And I was not at all a player, a sports person. I started playing volleyball and I was in the school team as well. So that was a game changer for me again. And from there, my journey started and I started, growing up with time and I started understanding people 400 students, 400 minds. Studying everyone was not difficult.
Right? That too away from family.
Absolutely. And every year I used to think that this is my last year. I used to tell all my friends, this is my last year. Maybe I'll not see you next year. But every year my father would turn the table around and I used to okay guys, I'm again back. So that is how it happened in my thing. And till class 10 it happened. And then I went to Calcutta. Then did my 11, 12, higher secondary, I can say. My college was done there. My father wanted me to become a CA. I completed my intermediate, both the groups, but I discontinued. I said, this is not my forte.
Oh my God.
Yes. I said, my dad, it's not my forte. Then it was a big argument, difference of opinion between two people. I said, I want to. But now what I've become is completely, I'm very calm. I'm very extrovert. And I'm rebellious for sure.
हर इंसान के कुछ लेयर्स होते हैं
Absolutely.
जो दुनिया नहीं जानती. Only close set of people, a close circle knows about them.
Yes.
So are there layers to Mr. Vikas
Very much,
Agarwal
very
which people
much.
do not know about?
I think I have 4 to 5 stages of my life
Okay.
which actually made me reach here. Yes, and I don't know where to start, where to stop, but it's very emotional thing for me as well. Mm, like what happens is like being in a joint family, everyone can't take the decisions on their own.
Absolutely.
You have to always take on the, on the top level. It's kind of a hierarchy system.
True.
So when you want to do something, you are not allowed to do because the other children also in the house. I think you also, Marva, you understand how joint family works.
Yes.
So keeping that in mind, I always wanted to be labeled as Vikas Agarwal. I never wanted to be labeled as Mr. Ratan Agarwal's son. So that was my biggest challenge of my life. And when I used to walk in the crowd, and I used to think like, people should acknowledge me. When I walk, people used to like, say like, this is Vikas Agarwal.
Absolutely.
Yes, that was always my dream. And when I used to talk something big, my father used to say, I think you were born in the wrong family. Because my dreams are always larger than life. Always larger than life. Coming from a small town, Malda, and living in a Marwari family, and वो गद्दी वाला जो स्टाइल होता है, you understand how. Yes, absolutely. वो जमींदार वाले सिस्टम जो होते हैं, वही हम लोग थे. हम वही मोटा खाना, मोटा पहनना, वो लाइफस्टाइल हमारा था. But I was not made for that. I thought I am made for something else. People should know me. People should know my work, my talent, and I didn't want to waste it here.
थाली परोसा हुआ मिला?
No, that my father never taught me.
Okay.
My father always taught me, wash your clothes, have your own meals, keep your own plates, and even anything happens, do it on your own. Even if you get married, still live a life of a single, never be a burden on someone. And till today, my father does that. We have seen him growing.
That's beautiful.
So that is how, there are very good things which moments I've taken from my mom. Some moments I've taken from my dad. And I am actually a structure of both. And that is how I am. Because मुझे जो अच्छी लगी मैंने वही पकड़ा and अपने आप में उसको maintain करके चला मैं life में. If you talk about the beauty and the hormonal things, that's my mother thing.
Wow.
That genes came from my mother's side. And if you talk about my work culture, my thought process, my hard work, it's absolutely my dad. My dad has always taught me never give up. You fall, you again stand up, you fall, again stand up, and I'm sure one day you'll rise.
कितना easy था आज का Mr. विकास अग्रवाल बनना?
It was actually not easy, I'm telling you. There have been nights and there have been days I have had struggled. When I finished my college, in fact, during that period, I was doing my CA Inter also. I stopped my studies.
Why?
I felt that accounting is not my job.
तो आपने फिर क्या किया?
फिर मैंने straight away I decided to go for because my father said I'm not going to fund you. मारवाड़ीज का यही होता है. When you don't follow them, everything stops.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, so because there's a difference of opinion. So then he said I'm not going to fund, do whatever you like. I said okay. Then I started working with some beautiful designers of Calcutta. And with that time I understood that, I even have the fashion sense. Then I have designed for many big designers backdoor.
Okay.
I would not like to name because it's quite
okay, confidential.
Yes, confidential. Okay. And but yes, I had my own label as well in the name of Moksh.
Okay.
Yes, and I have designed for even Bengal Tollywood industry as well. Koel Malik was one of them whom I had designed for her. And that's how my journey started. But my father was not very happy. He was very apprehensive about this industry. कि नहीं ये जिंदगी तो तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है.
तो CA भी आपके लिए नहीं था,
ये भी नहीं था,
आपके लिए नहीं था. तो
then I said, actually, to be very honest, deep inside, I wanted to be a doctor.
To be a doctor?
Yes.
Okay.
Be a doctor.
So this is the third layer we are discovering.
Always wanted to be a doctor.
Okay.
But what happened is
which department?
I wanted to be a cardiac surgeon actually. But after my 10 and 12 when I studied and I went and gave a lot of entrance exam, my father really struggled for me. But my father said that मैं कभी भी donations नहीं दूंगा. I said okay fine. If you don't want to give donations, मैंने exams दिए diligently बहुत पढ़ा मेहनत करी. Then I failed. Then my father said this is not your cup of tea. I think you should go to commerce. I took finance and marketing. First I took finance. Then when I did my MBA from Symbiosis as a correspondence, I took marketing that time. And that's how during my fashion designing only, my father said, kuch to degree le beta. I said, okay, fine. Let's go. I'll do correspondence. So I did a correspondence from Symbiosis. It was a 2-year course. And after that, one fine day, again, I landed up doing into insurance.
CA, designer, doctor बनना था, commerce, and then how?
Actually, my father pulled me out from the fashion industry. He said, "No, this is not your cup of tea. I don't think this industry is made for you because you'll get spoiled. You know how the fashion
Fashion
industry
industry
works." So he didn't like the people around because that was very new for them, actually, for my parents.
And Marwadi families. in those
Absolutely.
days.
No
Absolutely.
offense meant in the
Yes,
thing, but
yes.
it's how they look at.
Yes.
We don't look, we new people
True
don't
that.
look it. So keeping that in mind, then I decided, okay, fine. Then I'll start work as an insurance agent then. Just to make him feel that your son can even do this as well.
Okay.
Then I worked in ICICI Prudential in Gorky Terrace branch. I still remember that lady's name who motivated me to become an insurance agent, and her name is Archana Singhania.
Okay.
And within a span of 1 year, I was almost near to the close of a branch manager. And then a year I worked, and there was a doctor actually, come businessman, who happened to notice my hard work, and he gave me an offer that why don't you join my business?
Wonderful.
And then I decided, ठीक है, doctor ही नहीं बन पाया तो चलो business ही कर लेते हैं, and we can cater this hospital industry. That will also give me a kind of some kind of peace in my life. So keeping that in mind, I said, okay, fine, but I will not work under you. Let's do it in partnership.
Okay.
Yes. So I started the work in partnership, and in 2009, I remember I started my career and my company name was Recosys International. And within a span of 2 years, we did such a fantastic business in Northeast, and Northeast has been very close to me, and that is where I believe I'm a bit superstitious. I go by my guidance of my Pandiji, if you say. Many people may not like it, but it's okay. So he told me Northeast is your area, just go there. And Northeast actually gave me the name and fame. Even when we started the year, and later what happened, like, you understand, like, when you are in a partnership, at times you don't able to understand the front person who's working with you. And at the end of the day, he failed me in 2012. And I went bankrupt.
Uh-oh.
Yes. And in 2013, my father pulled me back to Malda. Well, now you need to settle down here. But yeah, होता है ना
कैसा
जब
रहा वो phase जब
बहुत, because
partnership-
मेरे फ्लैट बिक गए, मेरी गाड़ियां बिक गई, सब कुछ हो गया. My father had to pay the market loans and everything, and like I was like, then I told my father, शायद मेरे से success handle नहीं हुई. I think because छोटी उम्र में इतना पैसा देख लिया था मैंने, इतना पैसा देख लिया था, शायद किसी ने देखा नहीं.
How old were you then?
I was 23.
Just 23. So how did you restart again? And
My father just pulled me back and he just said, just come back home. मारवाड़ीज में यही होता है कि भाई कुछ भी हो शादी करा दो. उन्होंने शादी करा दी. And later then is like अब business में घुसना है. Then my father said 6 months कोई काम नहीं करना है, शांति से enjoy करो अपनी life and then we'll talk. After 6 months, during that period, I was still struggling on my own because एक डाउनफॉल होना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. एक होता है ना पहला प्यार जिंदगी भर एक नासूर बन के रह जाता है. तो मेरा ये जो पहला bankruptcy which I failed, that gave me a big setback in my life. But I was like, हार तो नहीं मानूंगा. And my father said like, now what you have to do? I said, I'm not going to join your business. He was like, what are you saying? इतना नुकसान करा चुके हो तुम, अब नहीं, मैं मत नहीं. This is not my job. I feel I'm made for something else. Then again, my father stopped talking to me. Then I told to my sister, and then she said that, okay, I'm coming down. She came down and she told my father, like, just give him a computer and give him a 5,000 rupees and to open his bank account, current bank account, and let him start his journey. And my sister actually was my backbone. Whatever I'm today, just because of her. I'll tell you in the process how she helped me, why I'm here because of her. She believed in me thoroughly. She said, my father, जब कोई बंदा, कोई बच्चा आपका बिना टका लगाए पैसा कमा के दे सकता है, तो वो वापस करके दे सकता है. And she realized that कि without family's help, if he can earn in crores, that means इस बंदे में कुछ तो बात है. Then my sister said, नहीं, I believe in you, beta. You just go ahead. I will do anything for you. And my Sukarma Healthcare and Medical Devices was formed. When I was coming from the diagnostic center, I saw Karma Healthcare.
okay.
That is how Sukarma came, because I realized medical industry actually requires good services सो आई सेड आई मैं सुकर्म करूंगा, कुकर्म तो नहीं करूंगा। तो वो सुकर्म वर्ड वहीं से आया। दैट इज हाउ सुकर्मा हेल्थ केयर एंड मेडिकल डिवाइसेस केम। 4 years I worked from Malda for the Northeast India, and later I realized कि मजा नहीं आ रहा है ऐसे काम करके, because I wanted, because क्या होता है ना कि मालदा में रह के still stuck somewhere, and I wanted to take decisions on my own, live a life on my own. I needed my own space, everything. Then I decided and told my father कि पापा I need to shift. पापा बोले never, you can't do that. हमारे बीच में बहुत बातें हुई, कोल्ड वॉर्स चले,
A typical,
typical cold war
father-son
chale, yes, absolutely.
difference of opinion.
And one fine day I told him कि I am leaving. आप हाँ बोलेंगे तो भी अच्छी बात है, ना बोलेंगे तो भी मैं जाऊँ।
कितने रुपए लेके निकले थे?
मैं यहाँ पे लेके आया था मात्र 2 लाख रुपए मेरे अकाउंट में थे, बट वो झगड़ा जब हुआ ना, वो पैसे दिख लगे नहीं मुझे उस टाइम पे। आई जस्ट टुक माई सूटकेस एंड आई जस्ट लेफ्ट द हाउस विदाउट एनी ट्रेन बुकिंग्स एंड ऑल। मुझे आज भी याद है, कोई उस दिन पता नहीं ऐसा क्या रश था कि मैं टीटी को भी मोटिवेट नहीं कर पाया कि मुझे एक सीट दे दो। एंड लिटरली ही सेड सर देयर इज नॉट अ सिंगल सीट। देन आई डिसाइडेड कि यदि ये मेरी जर्नी वाकई में सक्सेसफुल करनी है तो बेटा स्लीपर क्लास में भी कागज बिछा के सो जाओ। एंड दैट जर्नी इज लाइफ टाइम रिमेम्बरेबल टू मी कि यू आर सीइंग मी सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, एक बंदा जो मालदा से गुवाहाटी आया पेपर बिछा के स्लीपर क्लास पे, and today
just 2 lakh rupees.
Absolutely. And that is where my friend was there. His name is Rohit Jitani, who has helped me to reach here. He's one of again a very big back support of my life. Though he's no more with me as a friend anymore. वक्त बदलता है, दोस्त बदलते हैं, बट मैंने बदला नहीं है। उसने अपना रास्ता चुन लिया, मैंने अपना रास्ता चुन लिया। तो हमने शुरुआत करी, मैंने बोला कि भाई मैं आ रहा हूँ, बोला तू कोई टेंशन मत ले, आई विल हेल्प यू टू द कोर। हमने सुकर्मा की ऑफिस एक कमरे से चालू करी जिसमें मेरा बेड भी था, उसमें मेरी ऑफिस भी थी, पूरा मॉड्यूलर सिस्टम हमने बनाया था। एंड दैट इज हाउ आई स्टार्टेड माय करियर ऑफ सुकर्मा इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट।
सो बेड कम होम कम ऑफिस कम,
तो वो एक ही में जीना मरना सब उसी में ही था। जब हम आए थे तब तो एक सोफा कम बेड से फिर हम फोल्डिंग बेड में गए, फिर एक टेबल लगाए, फिर वहां से जर्नी करके फिर मैंने अपनी फ्लैट लिया। फिर आज देखिए ये आशियाना मेरा जो सोल एस्थेटिक्स है, सुकर्मा है, सब कुछ मेरा है।
So hope you all are listening out there. Sometimes small beginnings give rise to a bigger chapter in life. But it's important to start small. बहुत लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं ना कि नहीं शायद हमें कोई 10 लाख फंड कर दे, शायद हमें कोई so and so amount फंड कर दे तो हम एक नया बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर ले। You started small.
I'll tell you very honestly, it's not always about money. You need to have brains at times.
And fire with it.
Absolutely. You need to know where to crack your deals with the right people, with the right approach. पैसे मार्केट में बहते हैं, मैं आज भी बताता हूँ। यदि आपकी नीयत और आपकी फितरत सही है ना,
Absolutely.
कोई भी इंसान आपके पीछे पैसा लगा दे, ये मैं मानता हूँ। ये कोई भी डिनाई नहीं करेगा। आज के दिन में हर जौहरी को पहचान है इसकी कि भाई कौन पैसा बंदा दे सकता है, कौन नहीं देगा। तो दैट इज हाउ आई मेड पीपल बिलीव व्हेन आई केम टू नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड स्टार्टेड माय करियर वंस अगेन इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट। देन आई वेंट एंड टोल्ड पीपल कि मुझे काम दीजिए आप लोग। एंड दे सेड विकास जी वी वर वेटिंग फॉर यू। आपके साथ जो एक वक्त में हमने काम किया था, आपने वो कंपनी बंद कर दी, आज वापस आप आए हैं, हम आपको काम देंगे। आज में भी मैंने उनका साथ छोड़ दिया हूँ, उसके लिए मैं क्षमा चाहूँगा, बट ठीक है, वक्त सबका आगे बढ़ता है। मे बी मेरा काम बढ़ गया है तो मैं उनको साथ नहीं दे पा रहा उस वक्त पे, आज के डेट पे, बट ठीक है। बट you learn from a lot from your challenges. Absolutely. Whatever you happened in my life. And क्या ही बताऊं, जिंदगी ने इतना कुछ सिखाया मुझे, इतना कुछ सिखाया, मतलब इतने बैकलैशेस आए मेरे लाइफ में, बट आई नेवर गिव अप दिव्या जी, नेवर एवर आई गिव अप। एवरी डे वाज अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस फॉर मी दैट मेड मी स्ट्रॉन्ग। एंड मैंने ये समझ लिया था कि आज नहीं तो कल गुवाहाटी में मैं अपना खुट्टा तो गाड़ूंगा, एंड आई विल मेक माई नेम, भले ही बड़े पैमाने में नहीं, एक जगह पे तो ऐसा कि हाँ, what is Sukarma Healthcare, what is Soul Aesthetics, people will know. So that is how I reached here, and I'm really glad by the blessings of God, my sister Meghna Mittal and my friend Rohit Jitani. ये 3 लोग तो मेरे बहुत बड़े
Gratitude list में है।
एब्सोल्यूट they are in my gratitude list. But I would also thank my father
Absolutely.
because I'll tell you the reason behind it. वो बंदे को, मेरे फादर को अच्छे से पता था कि he can do wonders, but he always was very against me to see my limitations.
So he's always pushed you out of your comfort zone so that you
He
achieve.
always pushed me to check where is his deadline lands. And I'm telling you, यदि वो मौका मुझे नहीं देते शायद मैं यहाँ नहीं पहुँचता.
Your father is the catalyst of your life.
A coin has two sides. मैंने उनका रोना गाना तो गा दिया आपके सामने कि उन्होंने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया. But when you reach here ना, you become very stable and you start thinking and you just recapitulate, rewind your entire life. You see that person was just a spectator looking at you कि what my son can do. आज यदि वो कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होते शायद वो मुझे जाने नहीं देते.
Absolutely.
उनको ये था कि ये जाएगा कुछ तो करामत करके आएगा ही आज की डेट में. When I left Guwahati, for Guwahati, basically from Malda, we were in very much like, Cold War going between my father and myself. And every time they used to check on me, I used to say I'm doing very fine, but I was not doing very fine because eventually चीजें grow करती है, रातों रात नहीं होती है. It took me almost 2 years to become very stable in Guwahati, but वो journey बड़े मजेदार थी मेरे लिए. Yes, because वो वक्त में मतलब दुनिया ने मुझे इतना कुछ सिखा दिया था कि आप ही ओनर हो, आप ही सेलर हो, आप ही बायर हो, आप ही सर्विसमैन हो. तो मैं आई अंडरस्टूड कि यदि आपको एक अच्छा बिजनेसमैन बनना है तो यू हैव टू हैव द कैपेसिटी ऑफ डूइंग एवरीथिंग. आपको यदि कार्टून भी उठाना पड़े तो यू शुड.
Absolutely.
उस चीज के लिए पीछे नहीं हटना चाहिए. वक्त कब आपका फिर जाए किसी को
नहीं पता.
This is what I know.
That's a very big important lesson that you've just spoken about.
Yes.
आप अगर ये podcast देख रहे हैं, remember, when you grow, you should get more humble, polite and grounded because वक्त बदलते देर नहीं लगती. This brings me to my next question. Soul aesthetics, a name so deep. Business or hidden emotion?
ये बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा है and quite tricky as well. Soul actually came out from my own soul only. I always wanted to die young. To be very
young?
yes.
Why?
मतलब जब मरूं भी 60-70 साल में भी ना मुझे जवान
चलते फिरते
yes,
हाथों से।
जवान दिख के ही मतलब देश से अभी भी ग्लैमर है बंदे के चेहरे पे. तो वो चीज मेरे दिमाग में था because my mother being 65, 66 I guess. आज भी उनको कोई देखे तो कोई बोलेगा नहीं she's 65, she still looks like 50.
Oh.
She always have a reverse aging kind of a concept. So that is where I believe like if I don't groom myself, how can I explain people how to look beautiful, how to look handsome, how to look, and सबसे बड़ी बात है आप अपने मन को आप खुश नहीं रख पाए ना.
I agree.
Inner peace is very important, and inner peace comes when you are stable from mind, from heart, from your जुबान. ये जुबान, my father always told me one thing, आपका दिल, जुबान और आपका दिमाग यदि एक सीक्वेंस में ना हो, you can never be a gentleman. So that theory I always moved in my life, and I thought like मैं जब इतना कंसर्न हूँ अपने स्किन को लेके, अपने हेल्थ को लेके, why not I come out with this kind of a concept because I was already working with doctors. I'm basically a medical supplier, you guys already know.
Yes.
And seeing the industry, I felt like Guwahati needs something bigger than larger than life. And I went on meeting the doctors and found out where is the loophole and where is the vacuum of services which I can offer. Then I thought like, okay, 15 steps Korean scalp therapy was actually not in the entire East India. I thought of bringing that. Cryotherapy is not there in East India. I thought of bringing that. Gut microbiome is such a big concept in today's time. I brought that. And बाकी तो देखिए सारे स्किन केयर सब कुछ है ही आज के दिन में. But उसमें एक टेक्निक्स होती हैं. Understanding the right approach of your client's skin textures and giving them the right treatment is very important.
True.
So keeping that in mind, I decided like I should open a clinic of my own where I can even teach the doctors also. As a faculty, I have a team of faculties.
Yes, academy.
Yes,
That's
academy
all
is there.
aesthetics.
And then I thought, like, doctors, when I'm already a medical equipment supplier, they'll buy medical equipments from me. But I felt there should be a platform. There should be a, जब आप कोई सामान महंगी बेचते हैं तो एक जगह होनी चाहिए, वो ऑरा होना चाहिए कि वो डॉक्टर को लगे कि ये वर्थ है मेरे लिए. I made it like a one-stop solution for the doctors,
Beautiful concept.
where the patient also can get the services and doctors also understand the importance of that particular machine, ki whether I'm buying the right machine or not. So it was kind of a hands-on training. And patients को देखिए, आज है कल नहीं है, but I am not in a rush to make soul a big name. I want slowly, steadily people understand what is soul. I am not doing any big hoardings anymore. I am just doing a micro marketing, word to mouth, so that people understand the importance. आपको अपनी हेल्थ की चिंता है, आप सोल आएंगे ही आएंगे. Because आपको inner peace चाहिए, you want to look beautiful, soul is for you. That is where we talk about soul.
Beautiful. What do you look for in life? Peace, purpose, या कुछ और?
See, again, this is a tricky question because peace and purpose goes hands in hands. आप यदि अपना पर्पस ही नहीं ढूंढ पाए तो पीस कहाँ से मिलेगी? हर कोई इंसान यहाँ जन्म लेता है तो एक पर्पस के लिए ही आता है.
बिल्कुल.
जब वो पर्पस को पहचान लेता है, पीस ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाती है. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज द एंड ऑफ हिज लाइफ.
Beginning, नहीं?
आई
To a new
थिंक
life,
बिकॉज
meeting it.
पर्पस ढूंढते ढूंढते ही लोग बुढ़े हो जाते हैं. मैं तो आपको सच बता रहा हूँ. बिकॉज टिल द टाइम दे आर यंग, दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. When they are in the Gen Z or arena, you can say the aura that they have, उसमें हम इतने मगन हो जाते हैं कि हम भूल ही जाते हैं हम क्या कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं. जब शादी का फेज आता है तब वो हम उसी में ही लग जाते हैं, बच्चे हैं उनकी लाइफ में. बट देयर इज अ टाइम वेयर यू आर लीविंग एवरीथिंग बिहाइंड एंड यू जस्ट थिंक फॉर योरसेल्फ.
That's a journey of soul.
That is where you really understand what was your actual purpose of coming to this world, which people don't understand. And I tell people, अभी से ही समझ लो तो आपकी जिंदगी और आसान हो जाएगी. Then your world will start. It is the beginning.
Yes, indeed. So, what is coming next from Mr. Vikas Agarwal?
We are planning actually to come with chains of soul aesthetics.
Okay.
At least 10 chains we are very much planning. And I'm also opening a boutique hotel.
Wow.
Yes,
where?
in Malda, in my hometown only, because my father had a complaint कि you already settled in Guwahati, तो हमारा ये empire कौन देखेगा? I said वो तो मैं नहीं देखने वाला, but we can do something of our own, which I can handle. So I decided like let's open a hotel. My father said okay, let's do it. And now this year's by October I think it will be opened.
Wonderful.
So that is there, and we are also opening an office in Mumbai.
Okay.
Yes.
So Malda, Guwahati, Mumbai, quite an interesting journey. Insurance agent, designer, CA. I mean, multi-talented man I have sitting right in front of me.